All right. The song that you just heard was Boots on the Ground, which is a very popular dance. So, I teach, I call it beginners cardio drumming at Sand Ridge Community Center that's located in Calumet City. My cardio drumming class is from 10 a.m. until 11. And then I teach a beginner's line dance class from 11 to 12. I also teach line dancing at the Racco Center that's in Carpentersville on Tuesdays at 12:15. And I teach cardio drumming there on Mondays at 10:15 and on Thursdays at 12:15. I also teach cardio drumming in St. Charles at the Potawatomi Community Center. On Mondays, I teach beginner line dancing at 6 p.m. and I also teach cardio drumming on Tuesdays at 6 p.m. So, if you want to get a good workout, you need to come to my cardio drumming class. If you want to learn some of the popular as well as some of the oldies line dances, then you should come to my classes if you are out here in the Elgin, South Elgin, Carpentersville, Batavia, as well as St. Charles. There's a lot of different places. I am a beginner line dance instructor where I teach step-by-step instruction, okay? As a beginner line dance student, what I often do is whatever dances that we go over, I send you the video so that you can practice because practice makes perfect. I'm also teaching how to pop these fans because a lot of the dances that are coming out happen to be cowboy or, in our case, cowgirl dances. So I hope to see you real soon. Peace out.